Let's make our zines. To start, you're going to fold your paper in half. Take your time to make sure the edges are lined up straight and even. You can use the edge of a pencil or your fingernail to flatten the folds. You're going to keep folding back and forth until all of the lines have been folded. With the paper folded in half, you're going to cut on the center line all the way up to the point. Take your time and go very slowly. Next, you're going to fold the paper horizontally, stand it up on its end, and push in the paper. Rotate and flatten the pages so that they fold together like a book. Go slowly and take your time to make sure the edges are creased together very evenly. And here's your finished book. You can decorate it and fill in the pages with drawings and designs to tell about yourself. Here is a finished example, so you can either color ahead of time or you can fold your book first. In this example, I've already colored the pictures, and now I am folding it like I had showed you in the first part of the video. The great thing about this is now that you know how to fold a zine, you can make your own creative zine using just a regular sheet of paper, folding it and cutting it to make your booklet. You can make a booklet about anything you want. Use your creativity and your imagination to have fun with this project.